Behind me is my 2022 Tesla Model X long range, and with the help of Drive Protected, I was able to protect my Tesla myself. It's been about 5 days since I installed this Defense Plus PPF on my doors as well as the passenger side mirror, because I did not do that properly and I ruined the Defense Plus film when I was doing the front end protection. Looking through the driver's door, this is what my installation looks like. I do want to say that I am getting much better at this. Right here, there is a tiny bit of hair that I somehow left behind. I was waiting for like a good day that I could film, but we've been having rain after rain. You can see the edges are nicely there. I'd say even better than this one. Look at the gap I left when I was doing the fender during my first time install. It does wrap around on the edges right here for a seamless install. Same thing here for the Falcon Wing doors. Right there, it wraps around very nicely. I do wish we could wrap around this portion of the Falcon Wing door since we have clear access to it. Drive Protected does have a lot of YouTube videos showing you how to properly install this, and without their videos I could never do what I achieved here. I ended up quickly wiping the doors, so if I do created some minor scratches, it should automatically self-heal itself. But here's the install, guys, on the door when it's clean. There it is. It is really nice. Driver's door. As you can see, I didn't leave pretty much anything underneath it. It is in really good install. Passenger door. This is the rock chip. Some few bubbles here. And then this is the Falcon Wing door that I think I had the issue with it getting stuck together. And I think the only thing that's wrong with it is somewhere here. It's really hard to find it. Right there. Drive Protected does have a special offer for my viewers. If you visit their website and you end up ordering something by using the code POGAuto, you will be able to save 20% from your order. I don't get any commission if you use my code. That's simply for you to save money. I'm still working on a video protecting the Model Y Performance we just got, but I do want to say is the hardest part for me still is doing the bumper. Honestly, if you want to, you could get a professional to do your bumper and then do the rest yourself, because the hood, the doors, fenders, those are not as hard as doing the bumper. But you do get a really good deal when you buy the full front plus protection, so you could obviously give a shot and you might be able to do what I did. And in this case, I think I'm very happy with the results. Yes, it's not excellent. I'm very happy. I was able to do this myself. It was my first time ever protecting a bumper with PPF. I did end up almost destroying the Falcon Wing door PPF. I was trying to do the unwrapping part to put it up on the door, and to me that's actually the hardest part when I'm applying PPF, is actually back rolling the PPF off of the back. So that's something that I'm not good at still to date. I ended up getting a hot water and I poured on top of the PPF that was stuck together. I was able to rip them apart from each other, and the installation honestly like looks perfect. And I'm just cannot believe how forgiving this Defense Plus paint protection film is, because I totally thought I ruined the whole PPF for the Falcon Wing door, but I didn't. Installing PPF, definitely guys, it will take you a lot of time. It took me about 18 hours to get it done on the Model Y front end. But if you do it yourself, you can save hundreds if not thousands of dollars depending what kind of package you're doing. The earlier you do this guys, the better. Doing it yourself, you can pick when you want to get it done. Do you want to get it done right away, or the whole thing? Do you want to get it step by step? Right there, I started with the front, did the middle, and now I'm working for the rear one. On the third day of me owning my Tesla Model X, I ended up getting a rock hitting the door on the passenger side. I bought the paint repair kit from Tesla, which this is the repair, and now even though I have the door protected from future damage, I still have this big rock chip on my door. Not to mention I had like 3 or 4 chips on the hood and bumper on this Model X while I was PPFing the front. My favorite part about protecting my Tesla myself is not mainly just because I'm saving hundreds of dollars, it's also because I just learned the skill. This is something that I didn't know how to do, and now I know how to do, and I'm getting better at it. 4 tips for you guys. The first one is get PPF ordered as soon as possible so you can get it protected without having damages visible underneath the PPF. Number 2, clean the car to the best way possible. Even use a clay bar so that way you don't leave any debris stuck on the paint. Number 3, don't start with the bumper. And number 4, use lots of slip solution, because the more you have, the better. Thank you Drive Protected for sending me out this film and helping me protect my Model Y as well as the Model X. If you guys are new to the channel, consider subscribing. I'll see you guys next time.